So, tapos na kami kumain.
Bukoi from Philippines. Hello.
Nice to meet you. I have seen your face in the presentation a lot. Quite often.
Really?
Yeah.
Following me in the 5 years.
Okay. Welcome to Thailand. How long have you stayed here?
We'll be here till November 8th. From November 1 to 8th.
One week. Another group of LAS artists is here and they want to say hi to you. They know you.
Really?
Yeah.
Sure. One now the famous exhibition people. What's your name? Koi. Gunner. Yeah. Mix. I do. Oh, this is Bukoi and Koi. They're from Philippines. You'll come to the Philippines sometime. Yes, sir. Nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you. There's more stupid people over there.
When you walk around the mall, nobody like notices you. But if you're like Facebook famous or Instagram famous, then that's a different level. Like you're real famous, especially on Instagram.
So glad to see you today. I'm your big fan. Yeah, I'm listening the Philippines so much.
Oh, really?
Really. I'm love 4G and what's his name? Superstar C, right?
Who?
Superstar. Yeah.
He's a superstar.
I'm love so much. I love it so much. Really. Well, I'm listening Sting every day, bro.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Have you
Glad
been
to
to the
see you.
Philippines before?
Huh?
Have you been to the Philippines before?
No.
You should one day.
Hope so.
You send me a message and
I'm wish to have to go Philippines one day. Bro.
I got you, bro.
Glad to see you again.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. My name is KA.
KA.
Yeah.
KA. Alright.
Glad to see you.
อย่างนี้ได้ไหมให้มันกดแล้วก็เขียนไว้ข้างใน
So, nandito kami ngayon sa Believe, Thailand dahil i-interviewin si Daddy.
Yeah. 4 times.
Have you like sort of walk around here
Yeah.
before, right? Yeah. Like a lot of things have changed. So when was the last time before this one? How many years ago?
2022.
2022. So this is 2 years ago.
A lot of things changed.
Shit changed so fast, man.
เดี๋ยวทีม Believe Thailand ครับมาแค่นี้ครับ
Group shot. เข้ามา
โอเคครับมองกล้องนะครับ1 2 โอเคlike this โอเคนี่ครับมา1 2 มองกล้องนะครับโอเคครับยิ้มนิดนึงนะครับ1 2 3โอเคเรียบร้อยครับ
Thank you.
Thank you so much
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so sitting for real. So I feel so big fan for you.
When I see just Sakya South High I get you. 2 joints.
2 joints.
Yeah.
2 joints is enough or not?
Huh?
I mean, don't go on. Going to be because yeah, it was using. Thank you ครับ Thank you ครับ
Thank you. Bye-bye. Hey! Thank you! Tapos lang ang interview ni Daddy. Kamusta naman ang interview, Daddy?
Ayos naman yung Ang masaya doon yung behind the scenes ng interview, yung before interview and after. Kasi, okay sila kausap eh, mga tao doon.
Yeah.
Siyempre, interview medyo formal talaga.
Yeah. Naglalakad-lakad kami ngayon kasi maghahanap kami ng lunch namin.
Yep.
Nahanap na namin yung dati namin kinainan 2 years ago dito sa Siam Paragon. Mali tayo. Yes, ito na ang tama. Ito pala yun, oh. Okay, wrong information. Mali ang aming unang nasabing kinainan. Ito na talaga yun. Ito yung tama. Ay, Daddy, okay lang. Buti nga na mali tayo eh. At least nakita natin si Pastillas, girl.
Oo nga, kasi yung katapat na restaurant.
Oo.
Doon sila kumain.
Yay.
Doon sila kumain kung saan lagi anong kumakain. Kinainan nyo pa sila lang kumakain doon.
Malay mo masarap naman. Ikaw naman.
Oo naman, sinasabi ko siya hindi masarap. Tara, sa gilid lang daw.
Gilid lang tayo. Dito kami kumain talaga dati. Ito pala yun. Mga mata. So, tapos na kami kumain.
Sabi ka namin, sabihin mo eh.
And ito, magpapapalit na ng pera. Kasi kulang na ang pera namin. Naubos na namin.
Yeah.
Ano ang gagawin yung music video ngayon?
Kasi namin yung pa-decline music video, yung kanta ko kasama sa mixtape sa mixtape ko pala, featuring YB. Yeah. And then, bukas, sa kanta naman ni YB ako ang featuring doon. Sa kami pa, papapalit na ng pera si Labru. Likod ni Labru. Tingnan naman yung kay Lek. Yan, ang mga anak ko. Malina. Harap ka na, Lek. Harap. Tingnan mo yung form. Pakita natin yung form mo. Lek ma, ikaw, pakita yung form mo.
Ipakita natin yung forma mo, Daddy. So fly naman. You're so fly.
Siyempre. That match lagi mga flyness na.
Kaya nga eh.
Konti oras ko sa'yo, sabi ko sa'yo, kalma ka lang, akong bahala. Hindi ka naniwala, mali ang iyong akala. How you like me now ngayon, hindi nakita tipo. Isip bagong modus para may bago na tipo. Lakas na tugong.
Sorry. Alright.
Kalma ka lang, akong bahala. Ngayon hindi nakita tipo. Isa tinaligal man yan o kaya tulak.
Isa! Daddy, oh!
Bakit? Ay, kilig-kilig.
Oh! Daddy!
Konti oras ko sa'yo, bawal sumakay kung sino ang walang natulog. Parang ganahan naman mga bro-is.
Ako ay magpagod lang.
Pagod na. Pagod daw siya.
Punta ka lang sa iba't nasayang. Katabali wala na.
Rappers and BKK. Pudong at isay. Hanggang mangisay. Daddy! Bye-bye! 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 I'm so sorry. Thank you! Okay. Adios. Adios. Bye. Nandito na ako sa kwarto ko. Mag-isa ko na lang. Nakapag-good night ako kay Daddy and kay Labru. Nag-good night lang ako sa inyo kasi anong oras na eh? Good night, people. See you tomorrow. Last day here in Thailand. Bangkok. False alarm. Magdi-dinner pa kami. So, andito na ako sa lobby. Tumawag kasi sila sa akin. Sabi, magdi-dinner daw sila sa Joke Bangkok. So, noong una dinecline ko. Pero nagtanong si Daddy kung bakit. So, sabi ko, okay na. So, yun. Waiting na lang ako sa kanila dito. 12 na ng hating gabi.
Karinderya lang to, pero masarap to.
Yes. Ito yung kinainan dati nila daddy. Hindi kami kasama. Sila mga boys lang. Yeah. Dadalhin na niya kami dito. Yeah! Sabi ni daddy siya na daw order para sa amin.
Yeah. I got you.
Ito yung karinderya. Ito yung pangalan niya.
This one, 3. Do you remember what I ordered before? I think rice noodles. Rice noodles. And then bottled water. For a romantic night.
Napaka-romantic naman ni daddy. Magdi-date na kami before. Super romantic na ito, daddy. Thank you so much, daddy. Tapos na kaming kumain. Sobrang sarap niya and sulit. Oo, masarap. Ano siya, hindi tinipid yung mga ingredients.
Yun, hindi talaga tinipid. Sa ganitong presyo, sobrang daming protein na yung nakuha mo.
Yeah, grabe. Ano talaga to, recommended. Punta kayo dito,
Hindi ko alam paano basa niyan.
Oo. Tabi. 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 Ng Tongdor Police Station. So, yun. Basta dito siya sa Kambit. Kitipa.
At anong oras na?
And it's
12:46.
46.
46
AM. AM.
At ngayon pala, uwi na kami. Matutulog na kami. Tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is our last day.
Tomorrow.
So, tomorrow is another day.
Tomorrow. Okay. Good night, my people.